checking in right now, guys. We are about an hour away from this supposedly starting. Now, hopefully most people are going to be late. So we need to try and make sure the place smells aromatic. So we're going to be doing some hot apple cider, and we're going to have some eggnog. So Philly 500, if you want to come, buddy, come on by. So I was trying to find an apple orchard that was still open to get some fresh apple cider. So couldn't find that. So I've got actually some Musselman fresh 100% pure applesauce. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put this in here. We have ourselves, I got 3 cinnamon sticks that are up in here right now. Look at that. Boom, chakalaka. I think I'm going to save that for using for watering. You know, we have a Molson bag here. We're going to put this on the simmer. We don't want this to be nice and low. We're going to take some orange peels and some lemon peels, and we're going to put that, and we're going to squeeze a little of the oranges in here too. We're going to put that in a Molson bag, and we're going to let that soak in here with some allspice seeds. Put some of those in there. And we're going to put some clove in there. And this will make the place smell really, really nice. And so we're going to peel our orange here. And our lemon. And just let that slow cook for a while. And we can get this out of the way. I'm going to fill up our bag here. And then we've got a real nice little tea kettle here that we'll use to refill and be able to serve the people. Yeah. Okay. And we're going to put our whole orange in there. We're going to do the same thing here. Ask about Vivito together. See why at Vivito.com. With the lime. Now, I have a secret ingredient. And this is only working because we were fortunate enough to go to Vermont. But we're going to put in some real Vermont maple syrup. About a cup of it in there. But don't tell my wife because she's rationing out. I'm going to put that in there. And we're going to let this all simmer in here. Bragg Farms. We actually drove all the way to Vermont to get this. And I might just drive back up there again. Boom. And we're just going to let this simmer. That's it. That's all we're going to do with this. And so we're going to take the bag, pull that close, and put it in there. Let all that soak. And let that simmer. I can scratch that off the list. And so checking in, whew, I'm tired. I've got to cut the carrots here. The carrots I'll cut for the vegetable platter, get that out of the way. And then the next thing I've got to do is the antipasto skewers and the ham biscuits and the cheese and cracker platter. So we're getting close. I've already got the shrimp cooked. I've got and I'm going to get ready to put that in too. Maybe I ought to go ahead. Oh, here we go. Let's pull this out for the ham biscuits. Those are going to be ham and Swiss biscuits. That'll be really nice. And we'll put some of this on our cheese and cracker platter as well. So I need to get my butter melted with the mustard to go ahead and put on the roll so I can get that squared away. It's hard out here for a pimp. I can tell you that much. It's hard out here for a pimp. Big ass cookie sheet. Okay, all right, on to the next thing.